Thank you very much. My name is Bonginkosi Gift Education Madoda Khanyile, the former president of the MK Youth League and the member of Umkhonto Wesizwe Party. So I'm here to support our Commander Grenade Duduzile Zuma on her frivolous prosecution by the arms of the state. So we are here in full force to say we have traveled this journey. We know how the states operate, and in its operation we are here to say they cannot instill fear in the members of MK by prosecuting one of our prominent members, of whom is Comrade Duduzile, who is also a daughter of the sitting president of MK, the incoming president of the country in 2029.
Tell me something, why are you saying these charges are frivolous?
These charges are baseless because when we hear with close sources, they are only relying on tweets. That the tweets, there's a slogan that Comrade Dudu coined, which is the we see you slogan. So they are relying on that, and also tracing on the recent history. No one has ever been successfully prosecuted by the state who was allegedly accused by the state in the July unrest. So even this one, the July unrest happened in 2021. You want to charge a person who's a member of parliament and who's also in a Pan-African parliament, you charge him in 2025. Come on.
Yeah, but in case you don't know, you can charge me 10 years later as long as they've done a thorough investigation and that you can get a conviction in court. So the time that has lapsed, it doesn't count at all. And again, I have this question: how credible are your sources within the NK or the Hawk? Because we haven't seen the charge sheets and the evidence that they are going to rely on to prosecute.
I'm a source myself.
Oh, okay.
Remember, in the July unrest, I'm a participant who's also charged. I'm going for trial on the 2025, March 25. So I'm a source. Comrade Dudu was nowhere to be found in that thing. Like, she never looted. She was never engaged in the process of looting. But what we know about her, she has always been an active member as a citizen, but not in the July unrest. I was there myself in July unrest. I'm going on trial for it. She was not there, so I'm a source. There is no case that is going to take precedence or survive in court. But let me tell you why they are doing this. The aim of charging Comrade Dudu, it is to demoralize MK comrades. It is to instill fear. It is also to continue with the propaganda that MK is an organization of people who are in and out of court. I know every journalist who is here before me knows that Comrade Dudu won't be found guilty and is not going to spend years in jail. So everyone knows it here that Comrade Dudu is not going to spend years in jail. But we might come and play in a gallery as if we're coming for a serious case, as if she might go arrested. You are saying, my brother, 10 years, there was serious investigation. You know the South African police force, you know the investigation officers. There's no investigation at all that can hold water. If you are saying there's a serious investigation, it means there must be something forensic. There must be something which was hidden behind. There must be some underground operation. These comrades you are speaking about in the judiciary, they couldn't stop July unrest, which was done by people in daylight. Now you go charge a person who never even put a foot on the mass unrest that was taking place. So it's just theatrics which are happening, but it happens when all organizations are about to lose power. They ordinarily use the state to try and defocus those who are going to assume power. Because Umkhonto Wesizwe is going to take power, eThekwini region will win it convincingly, Maritzburg and all other regions will be under Umkhonto Wesizwe. And you'll come back to me and say, Bonginkosi Khanyile is a prophet.